Alrighty, Kevin, here's your 427 small block Ford. Description is combination. Got some Motorsports As Cast skids, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the air gap on it, with fuel carburetor, custom grind hydraulic roller, marked Serpentine belt set, make sure alternator functions, front sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,300, 518 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 535, peak horsepower 521, rated at 500, so it's pretty good. Got a front end on it. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, things like that. A lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number. Some specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. If you need anything, flip it over. It's got a QR code, and it'll take you some more tech stuff. So have a great day.